So, what is fish conservation? So, fish conservation outlines current knowledge about the degradation and restoration of fish variety and fishery resource productivity, highlighting areas where progress has been made and where more needs to be done. The second question is, how can fish conservation help us? And what are its importance? So, fish conservation help us a lot. They help with just like with water purification, flood reduction, sediment deposition, nutrient cycling, food production, habitat provision, and biodiversity preservation. So the third question is, what are methods of fish conservation? While it is clear that we are humans that are endangering many animal species around the world, we usually know only half the story. A huge part of both our planet's area and its flora and fauna lies in the water. Furthermore, owing the fact that we have explored only a tiny fraction of this area, we don't usually know of our impact on it. However, the little that we know has shown that there are that here the impacts of is even more worse than on land. And activities like fishing are posing dangerous threats to marine animals, and it might be the wake up call now. And if we don't start fishing sustainably now, we might as well give up fishing altogether. With rising concern about the environment, every activity is now being conducted in a green manner, including fishing. And some methods of fishing are dangerous and harmful to fishes. Um, Fishes, yes, leading to unnecessary deaths. And sustainable fishing methods help us to preserve fish species for future generations, or else we would be handling them a legacy of a world which has very few fish species left. And if we are passionate angler, here are some tips or methods in fishing sustainably that we can follow. First is using eco-friendly fishing boats, check the tackle, let smaller fish survive, or and many more. And the last question is, what is the purpose of endangered fishes? Oceans are an important source of food. They host 80% of the planet's biodiversity and are the largest ecosystems on Earth. And fish provide 20% of animal